All right, welcome back. Welcome back. How are we all doing? Yes, I want to share something very important to all of us. There is a post made by Sonat Akparawa. I many of us know him. I don't need to introduce Sonat Akparawa to you because he's a very popular person in terms of Biafra movement. Before the whole thing started, before these differences and misunderstanding, and lies and propaganda, depending on how you perceive what is going on, I, for one, I trusted him like I see him as one of the person that is one can trust, and I thought that he is very close to, that he's very serious, and that he actually loved PM and all that. But after the declaration of Biafra, he's one of the person. In fact, he's the one that started, talking anyhow on social media, dragging everybody on social media, and with Eggman, because they see themselves as Minister of Information and Deputy Minister of Information and all that, which is laughable though, because you are Minister of Information not to propagate lies, not to promote evil, not to support negativity. Everything going on now, Sonat Akparawa, hence is that. And I can tell you that this guy holds PhD in cooking up stories and lies, deceiving people and turning things around as if that thing is actually exist, as if that thing is actually the way he wants you to feel that is it, that is how it is. Why am I saying all those things? Many of you know that the recent voice message or decision of Triple G, and some people actually applaud Triple G for not working with the USB, whereas some people actually fought him and said, look, you are not the government, you are general, you are we love you, we know that you mean good, but this your action, this your recent decision, no, is not what I want to expect. And some people see that as a sabotage. Some say that no, he has right to do whatever he wants to do and to choose whatever he wants to choose. Even in as much as he's doing those things, they also understand that it is wrong to choose to decide to do what he's doing by saying that Biafran government is not what they want to work with, and issue of trust. They don't trust, they want to take time. Because that's another argument that we are going to discuss on this video. I'll try my best to make it not too long. Okay? Just give me your ear, because we're trying to establish our own take on the whole thing. Now listen. After the recent message from Butuzor that USB government, in fact, he said that he regretted sending audio that he sent last time. Many of you have watched it and all that, so I don't want to go there now. But Sonat Akparawa claimed that they are working with the Butuzor and different Nation Army, even though Biafra Unite claimed that he blocked that BDF are no longer working with Ogenkere. In fact, they blocked him for 7 months, or how many months he claimed. You can see the whole thing is contradictory, right? It's contradicting. And we know that some people actually claimed, yes, BDF, Butuzor is not working with his USB and all that. But they always give an excuse that one of the reasons why he don't work with USB is because he wants to take his time. He's trying to take precaution. He don't want to trust COS and USB just like that. Then after all, it took him time to work with PM. That's I'm just hearing that now. These are things that's to tell you that we are not an insider, but anyone that we know that somebody actually informed us, if it is worth sharing, we're gonna share it. So not three people have actually reached out to me and said that look, USB government should have just calmed down and take it JJ, because the whole thing is not the way you guys see it, the way people see it in public. That this man they don't. This is a matter of life and death. They have to check very well to know who they are going to trust to work with. Then I say, okay, fair enough, fair enough. But how long did it take them to work with Ogekere then? How did they manage to study Ogekere fast to work with Ogekere than the government? That's why I have issue personally. And not that I have issue that I'm calling for anybody head. Okay, this is not what I'm here for. I'm just trying to connect the dots for a better understanding, because a platform like this, our platform, people will come here, they may share their opinion, which may irritate you. That's also part of the platform. So that's why you have to balance the information. If you know better, you can reach out to us, or you can come on our live broadcast and air your own opinion. But based on what's on social media, we have to follow it the way it is. Now, I'm going to share this, with you. But before then, please take your time and like this video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Let us know your own take. What's your own side of the story? See, if you disagree that the Butuzor decision of by distancing himself from USB all this while, and with this kind of rumor or this kind of statement that they have to make sure that it will take them time to work with anybody, that it took them time to work with PM. That's not something that anyone should celebrate though, because without trust, you can achieve nothing. You will achieve nothing. Trust is very, very paramount. You don't need to just discard it. I know that you have to also take precaution as a human being. Yes, I do, and I do understand it. But remember that if you can trust PM, there's this, provision that it should be in you to trust US, because for PM to work with her simply means that she can be trusted. But everyone have their own opinion. All right. So please like the video and share it, and let me know what your take on that. Like I said, here is a post from Sonat Akparawa. Sonat Akparawa made this post, and I believe many of you have seen this. Many of you are aware of it. If you are not aware, this is the right time for you to take a closer look to that. And this post is somehow laughable, and I will tell you why. But before then, let me see how I can expand it. I'm trying to get used to this, to be honest with you. Sometimes I keep on clicking a lot of things before I position it the way I want. Okay, now I think this is the only option that we can use now. Okay, pay attention to the right up on your screen. Let me expand it again. I think let's use it this way. Okay, Butuzor is the best thing that has happened to some brainless Biafrans. You don't support BDF yet. You expect them to use their teeth to defend Biafra lands. This is why I said that this guy have criminal tendency. In most of the things he's doing now, I don't know. They say, tell me who you go, tell me who is your friend, then I will tell you who you are. Show me your friend, then I will tell you who you are. That's what I'm trying. That's what he's playing out here. Because one may read this thing, this first paragraph and this first line, and say, it's true, you have to support them before you question them. But the statement is not actually for Biafra Liberation Army. This guy target is always fundraising. To who? To Ogekere. And some claim that Ogekere is the one that giving them money. Then why is it contradicting the statement of Biafra Unite? Who said that Ogekere blocked them for 7 months now? So somebody must be lying, isn't it? Who is that person lying? Butuzor is the best thing that has happened to some brainless Biafrans. You don't support BDF yet. You expect them to use their teeth to defend Biafra. So what about those that are supporting, that donating money to you, Sonat Akparawa? And are you not aware that Ogekere and your people told them in the past that it should not work, so that the USB government will now provide their own embassies? That is the case. When the issue was who is on top, who is in control, who is in charge, who is Biafra Liberation Army is taking instruction from. And hearing now that Biafra Liberation Army, that they need to take their time to trust somebody, sounds good, but why is it so easy for them to earn, for For them to earn a trust of for what is his name? Ogekere. Okay? For them to trust Ogekere very, very fast than COS and USB government. That sounds like there's something that is a kind of like black market transaction or something like that that happened there. But don't hold me on that. That's my own opinion. You have right to air your own opinion. Then he said, anytime you ask Butuzor anything, he gives you the right answer. We don't have enough because of all your sabotages. Because of all your sabotages. Coming from Ngozi and Imam Mado, Imam Accountability Group. This is where I know that this guy is just another, Oshimushi. How can your statement is for those who cannot think for themselves. That's the gospel truth. Anytime you ask Butuzor anything, he gives you the right answer. Then he said again, quote, we don't have enough because of all your sabotages coming from Ngozi. Okay, from Ngozi. One is okay, since that's okay, Ngozi, okay, USB government, okay. And what is that sabotage? That CS declared Biafra. Because what we want is remain in Briggy, stuck in Briggy, do not move anywhere. Briggy is the answer. If Briggy is truly the answer, as you claimed, what is the essence of declaring Biafra? Are you saying that self-referendum that took almost 1 year is now null and void? What is the essence of traveling to Finland to do what? To redeclare Biafra. Redeclaring Biafra, you are not telling people to go back the way they were before declaring Biafra, before traveling to Finland. You see, I don't know why it's so difficult for people to understand it. I can relate easily if you accept that Biafra has been redeclared and you are not in USB, but you don't. The structural problem is if you are like saying that the structural problem is the problem you have now is structural problem that you don't accept one or two things about the structure, current structure. I may say, okay, that is your own opinion. It will even make more sense. But immediately you say you fall back to Briggy, you remain in Briggy. USB is just declared without any value, nothing to show for it. That simply means that something you are doing, you don't want anybody to know. And that is where I have issue with all this nonsense. You declare Biafra for a reason. There's something you want to achieve that will actually push you to declare Biafra in first place. And those who hold you down understand it very well. Otherwise, tell me, since 2001, 22, 23, 3 years plus, in 2024, then go after the leader who is PM Samanekwa. Why is it that they did not make that move 2021? They didn't make it 2022. They did not make it 2023. Or from the time of autopilot down to the time of government in exile, they did not make that move. Immediately you said you want to redeclare Biafra. Get loose. Everybody have something to say. Everybody want to talk. People started calling for head of PM. People started signing petition, sending document. Ah, my goodness. That simply means that redeclaring Biafra have a very, very significant in everything. And that is why you guys trying to play down. You said you declared Biafra, so where are you now? The same thing that I said when the US asked, when PM said, we are not government in exile. He don't just say it, he put the structure and everything, the mechanism, everything in place. Do you understand it? So you that are contemplating, we know, even if we declare it, we need to go to, we want to Musa to be crying. The issue is, do you actually want to independence or your own objective is for Musa to be crying? Musa may cry in different ways. And even if you are doing, I'm not against Musa crying. Whether crying or smiling, that's entirely his business. I'm not in control of his tears. But what I'm trying to tell us is this: during declaring Biafra, that's something that's expectance from that. So immediately you take away that thing that you should expect from redeclaring Biafra. That simply means you have gotten it all wrong. You have gotten it all wrong. Everything, but none. So I don't know why some of us are trying to play a game and trying to gamble around about the reality on ground. Why is it so difficult for some of us to grab this information? Why is it so difficult? I don't get it. He said, then you come back crying. Excuse me. Okay. Where is it now? I click on something and the whole thing just disappeared. Okay, let me start from it. He said, look at it here. Then you come back crying, calling Ogenkere. If Oge was not there, do you know what would have happened by now? This guy, you are just a non-entity, honestly. I was holding this guy in a high esteem, like this, that he's one of the people that people can, Biafra will mad, that kind of thing. But look at him. He said again, mad people everywhere. Copy. Next time, you won't go to get message from Butuzor because you won't like his answers. Continue sitting in the fence, waiting to hear when BDF is no more. Rather now you he go happen to or not BDF. Now you ingo not ego he go. Now you he go happen to broken apple gas num. So nobody is wishing. I'm not in support of anybody wishing BDF or Butuzor anybody bad like to buy. I'm not a fan of that. I'm not a fan of that. I don't like it. I've said the time with that number here. Anybody wishing them to kick the bucket, you are not doing yourself any good at all. So I'm gonna go through a few comments. I think it's 3 or 4. We just call it a day. He said, we are so proud of our BDF and we appreciate the sensible Biafran for their unrelenting support to our defense. That from this tortoise. He said, Linda Chinyere said, Butuzor, where they do meeting with the Hope of them, said Commander Gentle. This one time Gentle did not say that. Don't lie. Gentle said they called them for a meeting, meaning that they send a delegate, and that delegate is not about them with Butuzor. Maybe I don't know if they have the meeting together with Hope of them. It could be online. I don't know the method of the meeting, but whether they host meeting or not, whether there's a mini meeting or anything at all, you don't need to blame them for that because people will keep on pressing. That is the work of saboteurs. They keep on pressing. Negative pressing is there. Okay, there is pressing to be your leader. So pressing is allowed, but you succumbing to the press is what matters. Horsley Benjamin said, criminal where DSS don't chop clean mouth. Since a person where don't buy since. Criminal where DSS don't chop kind of wishy. You actually believe that the chop Butuzor? Are you okay? Are you okay at all? BDF have done more than expected compared to what they have been given. Therefore, if you want them to do more, donate for your defense. But you do not mention where to donate to you. Everybody have a way of preaching their own message. But it is always good for you to know what is going on so that you know where you stand. Simon Ekpale the Great said, nobody can play this game more than BDF Biafrans. If you are expecting more from Triple General, you go Butuzor, donate to chase the zoo terrorists, Nigerian ragtag, Fulani armies, and the enemies of Biafrans out of our land. Then you see the one thing about this gang of Ogikere is that they always want to comment, but they don't know what they're saying. As I am now, I don't know who Butuzor is working with. That's just a fact. Butuzor have declared that he's not working with the USB government. The USB government have actually declared that he's not working, that he don't want to work with them. That one, nobody can come out again and say insecurity in our land though is caused by a USB. You understand? Because of the president. So because common sense will tell you that the African Liberation Army under Butuzor control said that they're not going to work with USB. Now, who are they now working with? Is it Sonat Akparawa? Is it Ogenkere? Is it Biafra Unite? Because last time I checked, they are all different groups. So who actually is working with them? That's the sort of understanding. But the good thing is that USB also have their own army. That is gospel. Which sometimes some of these people have used their platform, try their best, try all they could to paint them bad as if they are criminals, as if they are what do they call that, Ebubago and rest of them. So, but they're not. They are not. They are not, my people. They are not. Just that envy and jealousy is what pushing Biafra Unite and people like him out to say some of this nonsense they're saying that doesn't hold any meaningful thing. Anyway, please make sure you like the video. Tell me what you think about all we discussed so far. What do you think about the Sonat Akparawa trying his best to cook up stories? Because all this thing that he said here, believe you me, is about, it's not about the BDVF, it's not about Butuzor, but it's about, wooing people, trying to woo people to for Oginkere. And remember why I said that they're actually using Butuzor to call you to the net, because the thing why I don't believe that they are working with the Butuzor is because the man is focused on court case more than BDA, more than security. That's gospel. He keep on suing people, threatening people. So where is he getting the money if not fundraising? If you are donating money to Sonat Akparawa's people, think about it, because if they're not having court case and challenges, paying lobby $10,000 for just having handshake in Capitol Hill, I mean, come use your brain, please. Use your brain. Use your brain. And I don't know if there's any way they're working with the Butuzor, like I said, but this is my gut feeling. I don't believe, because he has a lot of, if he's actually giving the money to army, he wouldn't have some money for leftover for court case and suing anybody. So my people, please tell me what you think about that. Make sure you like the video. God bless you. See you again, and bye bye for now.